Hello everyone, I'm Arbaz Khan from India and this is a Data Pilot AI, my submission for the Microsoft Agent League Hackathon 2026. Data Pilot AI is a fully automated multi-agent data analysis platform built using GitHub Copilot in VS Code and powered by Azure AI Foundry, Foundry IQ Intelligence Layer. Any business user without writing a single line of code can upload a CSV or Excel file and instantly get data cleaning, SQL analysis, AI generated charts, business insight, and download PDF report. Let me show you. I have a real sales dataset here, 60 records, 12 columns with some missing value. Let me upload it. The moment the file is uploaded, Data Pilot AI automatically trigger 5-step pipeline, no button, no prompt, fully automated. Data cleaning powered by Pandas, the system found 5 missing value and fixed each one based on column type. Median for numbers, mode for text, forward fill for dates, 60 record, 0 duplicate, 5 nulls, fixed dataset cleaned automatically. Dataset profiling, every column is analyzed automatically, data type, missing percentage, unique value, and a simple value and instant data quality report. SQL analysis powered by DuckDB, the system automatically generated and ran for SQL queries. Top 10 record, row count, column average, and total sales by customer without anyone writing a single line of SQL. This is the router agent at work. It identifies this as a SQL task and routed it to the SQL agent automatically. AI generated visualization. This is where Azure AI Foundry IQ take over. The system sends the dataset schema and sample to GPT 4.1 mini through Foundry IQ, which writes the actual Python code using Matplotlib and Seaborn, choosing the most relevant chart for this specific dataset. This is real code generated by Foundry IQ execute live. Sales amount distribution choose automatically as the most relevant numbers column. This heat map shows sales amount and discount have a 0.63 correlation, meaning higher discount are linked to higher sales. Real actionable business insight automatically. Business intelligence also powered by Foundry IQ. Data Pilot AI act like a senior business analyst, generating key insight, risk, opportunities, recommended action, and an executive summary, all referencing real column name and numbers. It mentions actual columns, sales amount, profit, discount. This is not generic advice. It's data-driven intelligence. And the executive summary, boardroom ready in one click. One click, a professional PDF business report ready to share with stakeholder. This is something unique to Data Pilot AI, a fully analysis long every step, cleaning code, profiling code, SQL query, chart code is recorded here with the exact library using Pandas, NumPy, DuckDB, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Longchain, Azure AI Foundry, and report label all working together. You can download this long as a text file or a formatted PDF, so anyone can reproduce the execute analysis. Finally, the conversation chat interface. I can also anything about my data in plain English. Router agent detect this is a SQL request. Request is it to SQL agent DuckDB, runs the query and we get a result instantly. Region highest profit, west lowest, instant regional insights, no SQL or coding expertise required. Data Pilot AI from raw data to real decision built with the GitHub Copilot powered by Azure AI Foundry. Foundry IQ with 6 specialized agents working in one automated pipeline. This is my submission for the Microsoft Agent League Hackathon 2026. GitHub link is in the description. I'm Arbaz Khan. Thank you for watching.